Let's move to our next topic, which is encapsulation. What is encapsulation? Encapsulation is all about wrapping up the data with the code in a single unit is known as encapsulation. Now, wrapping up data with code, what do you mean by that? Data is always there inside the class level members, which we call variables. And code is always there inside the functionality. So when I'm saying wrapping up the data with code, which means I'm saying wrapping up the variables with the functionalities is known as encapsulation. When we do this when we want to have more control over the data. Okay. And how we implement it in coding? We implement that using POJO classes in Java. So what is POJO class? POJO stands for plain old Java object. A Java class where all the properties or variables declared inside it are private type. All those properties will be initialized by using constructor, and there will be always only setter getter methods to access those properties. So that type of class is known as POJO class, and we implement encapsulation in Java by using POJO class. How we are having more control over the data now using this POJO class and how it is giving us advantage, we have to understand this by this implementation. In this implementation, I am creating a bank account class which is having account number, account holder name, and balance. These are the private properties. I'm initializing these properties by using constructor, and then I have setter getter methods to set these properties. Only the balance property I am updating by either by deposit method or by withdraw method. Okay. Now this deposit method is validating whether the amount that user want to deposit is greater than zero, validating it, then only it is updating the amount or balance. Okay. Similarly, when someone wants to perform withdraw operation, it will again validating that amount is greater than zero or not, and amount is less than available balance or not, then only it is reducing the amount from the existing balance. So these are the approaches to update or access the balance data member of my bank account class. Now there are two things. One is this is a POJO class. How it is a POJO class? Because it is having private data members, it is having constructor to initialize them, and then it is having setter getter methods. And that type of class is known as POJO class. I already told you. Now the question is what advantage this class is giving me? The advantage is this class is not directly allowing other classes to access balance data member. If someone wants to access balance data member, must have to either call deposit method or withdraw method. You can see in another bank app class, which is a client class where I'm instantiating bank account and then I'm printing the information and then I'm calling deposit method or withdraw method. These deposit methods and withdraw methods making sure that data which is coming from here for performing deposit or withdraw is correct. That is validating by these two methods. But let's suppose if these methods are not there and these properties are not private type, then someone can directly access the balance and can make wrong changes as well, right? So what we are doing, we are restricting this balance from the direct access of it. Okay, this can only be accessed by using some setter getter method or by some certain methods only, and in that way, we have more control over the data by defining them as private and by defining them setter getter methods and by using this POJO class. So this is what the main purpose of encapsulation is. And encapsulation is really very useful in day-to-day development.